In this video, I will show you how to log out OneWin account in Telugu. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I advise you create a professional OneWin account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code RENZO7. If you use the promo code RENZO7, OneWin is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus, and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. So you want to log out from your OneWin account in Telugu, the first thing that you have to do is change the language to Telugu. We should come over here and then search for Telugu, and then you choose. Once your account has been set to Telugu, then you come over to your profile details, scroll down a little bit to this option that says exit, and then click on exit, and immediately you're going to log out of that account.